Thank you. Please be seated. Maraming salamat po. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Good evening and congratulations to all the graduates of Batch 2011 of the Parañaque National High School. Magandang gabi din sa mga proud parents, mga masasayang mga magulang. Palakpakan natin ay lahat ng mga magulang, mga lolo, mga lola at mga kapatid at lahat ng mga nagmamahal sa graduates na ito. At siyempre, espesyal na magalang na pagbati at pag-congratulate din sa mga teachers natin dito sa Parañaque National High School. Binabati ko rin po ang pamunuan ng Department of Education dito po sa Parañaque National High School at sa buong Parañaque. Siyempre, una-una ang inyong principal, matagal ko nang kakilala, doon pa sa Dr. Carlos Santos National High School, Dr. Urbano Agustin. Binabati ko din ang ating Division Superintendent, Dr. Joel San Luis, kahit na wala pa mas pinasa dito, and Dr. Irene Gadil, Education Supervisor, Dr. Rosendo Abulog, Principal of Monroe National High School, our Assistant Superintendent, Rita Riddle, who's very, very beautiful book. Kaya malaman. Dr. Jerry Katsiyar of the Parañaque National High School, Principal. Mr. Pablito Dibal of the newly inaugurated Parañaque Science High School. May bago na silang lugar, napakaganda. Mr. Joel Andicho, our GPPA President, a good friend. Angie Rivera, mabuting kaibigan galing sa City Hall. Rector Maculita, the Principal of Dongara Elementary School. And of course, I'd like to give a very special greeting to the political leadership of Parañaque, no other than Mayor June Bernabe. Kasama ang iba pang mga opisyal na nandito, Konsehal Ben Amurao, Konsehal Ryan Iliana, anak ng Konsehal Bal Soto, si Waho Soto, and I must give a very special mention to a very young but capable counselor na bata pa lang, ang dami ng ginagawa at tinutulungan talaga ng gusto ang kanyang tatay para mapaganda ang ating sulat ng Parañaque, Councilor Benjo Bernabe. Pasensya na po pag meron tayong nakaligtaan. Bago ko magpatuloy, gusto ko sabihin sa inyo na habang ako'y nagsasalita, meron nag-video sa atin. At yung video na yan, pag-uwi ko mamayang gabi, ay aking i-upload sa YouTube. So, pwede nyo i-search sa YouTube yan. Mamaya, ilagay nyo lang Roy Logoles, Parañaque National High School 2011. Yan, makikita nyo na yan. And you will see your beautiful, handsome faces on YouTube. Ayan, binibideo na ngayon. At, automatically, siyempre, pag-upload ko sa YouTube, automatically, nakapost na rin yan sa aking Facebook. Pwede bang malaman kung sino sa inyo ay Facebook? Yan. Wow, grabe. I'm not surprised, Mr. Mayor. By the way, I'm not being flippant about Facebook and about YouTube. This is a very serious matter, a very serious business, because Facebook is a multi-billion-dollar enterprise. IT, ICT. In fact, the founder, Mark Zuckerberg, became the Time Magazine Man of the Year, Person of the Year, last year because of that accomplishment. Imagine about 600 million members of Facebook, almost 10% of mankind. And here in the Philippines, the last time I looked, there are about 17 million, maybe 18 million, perhaps 20 million members of Facebook. One of the strongest IT communication entity in the Philippines today. Napakalakas po. Hindi yan para sa kasiyahan lamang, it is serious business. Together with YouTube, together with Google. I'm very serious about this. IT is the future, and the future is IT. Let me emphasize that. And I'm going to talk about that some more later in my speech. Siya nga pala, ang mga miyembro ng batch na ito, alam ko marami ang taga 1st District, marami ang taga 2nd District. Doon sa aking distrito. Dito sa 1st District, kahit nandi ako taga 1st District, meron ko isang bayan dyan. Dyan sa 1st District. Hindi naman commercial ito, pero sasabihin ko lang yan totoo. Madalas ako dyan, ang pangalan, yung McDo, Kabiasnan. Sa 2nd District naman, doon sa amin, sa may bandang barangay San Antonio, nasa boundary yan. Ang isang istambayan ko naman doon, yung tropical hut doon sa may Jaca. Kaya kung binabanggit ito, just in case na magawi kayo doon at magkasabay tayo, just prove to me that you are a member of Batch 2011 of Parañaque National High School, baka malibre ko kayo ng value meal. Yeah. Hindi ko sasabihin kung anong araw ako madalas doon. I'd like to congratulate the Parañaque leadership for all the good things that they have done in order to upgrade the quality of education in Parañaque. And I am referring to Mayor June Bernabe, Vice Mayor Gaston Bonten, and the City Council of Parañaque. Sapagkat kitang-kita sa maikling panahon